Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how I transformed my dad's old pair of jeans into one of this cute looking bucket hat. I hope you'll enjoy and let's get to the video. So for the first step, I took measurements around my head and using a circle skirt shot which I got from the internet, it gave me the radius and I just simply drew it and cut it out. Now you should have something looking like this. So the second step would be to create the body of the hat. I just drew a rectangle with measurement of 5.3 by 3 inches tall. Next, I folded the rectangle into 4 equal parts and cut along the line quite close to the edge. This technique is called cut and slash technique. Then secure the pattern in place using a tape and spread about 0.2 centimeters in between each of the rectangles. Now you can cut out the new pattern and should notice that it has a slight curve at the bottom. On to the third and final step of pattern making, which is creating the brim of the bucket hat. I drew out another rectangle with measurement of 5.7 by 3. I basically used the same technique as earlier, cut and slash, and this time I spread 2 centimeters in between each of the rectangles, so it's more flared and curved compared to the pattern earlier. Next, draw the new shape and simply just cut it out like so. Now that you have all the pattern pieces you need, with seam allowance added and ready to cut it out on the denim, just place the patterns on the jeans where it fits and cut it out like so. Once the patterns are cut, sew the sides of the brim together facing right sides and do the same for the body too. After it's sewn together, it's time to grab the circle piece and just flip the body inside out. Make sure that you place the circle at the top, which is more narrower than the bottom. Then, just pin it down and you can sew all the way around. Once you have sewn it together, it should come along nicely and have a bit of a shape to it. Then grab the brim of the bucket hat, place it over the body, facing right sides and sew all the way around. I'm actually not bad. Since the bucket hat was looking a bit plain, I decided to seam rip the label from the back of the jeans and just sewed it onto the bucket hat. I mean, it's optional really, you don't have to do it, but I thought it would look cute and a bit more stylish. And here's the final outcome. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe if you enjoyed the video.